So first of all, you're going to have to type in the patient's name. Then look for the facial image. You'll also need to insert the panoramic X-ray. We then have to select the wax up icon. So once the patient's face appears, you'll have to place the digital face bow on the incisional edge of the central. The yellow line must be aligned with the upper lip and the black line to the dental midline. That being done, simply accept the face bow. There will be 7 steps in this simulation. Now you want to go and determine the region you want to be working with, which in this case is a full mouth. And that is when you'll see the M lines come into sight. We need to place the green line at the last tooth of the smile. In this case, I'm going to expose the X-ray because I want to see how many premolars there are in this client's mouth. We actually have one on the left and one on the right side. So I'm going to put 5 lines instead of 6, and we'll bring them in a little bit closer. A good marking point is to place the 3rd red line on the distal of the cuspid. The 3rd step is to put the blue line at the distal of central. You can always adjust the blue line with the plus or minus icon. Let's take it to the calibration step. By doing so, you can see that the new smile is inserted in the patient's mouth and the positioning of it looks just fine. By playing with the lower right slider, you'll get to see where you will bring the final tooth contour. You can also make the central longer or shorter. A very useful marking point is to bring back the M lines so you know exactly where was the incisional edge of the central. And also the gingival height can be moved by lifting the upper line. By using the slider on the bottom right of your screen, it will allow you to adapt the occlusal plane.